Good morning everyone. Class 12, subject business study, chapter 11. Okay. In the last class, discussed the function of marketing management. Okay. So different types of function are included in marketing management. So first function is gathering and analyzing market information. So for marketing function, first point gathering and analyzing marketing function. Second point market planning, and third point product design and product quality. Next point packaging and labeling. Next promotion. So different points are included in a function of marketing. So today we will discuss the concept of marketing mix. Concept of marketing mix. Okay. So marketing mix is a set of tools. Marketing mix is a set of tools. It includes 7 P's regarding product development, product launching, and increasing in sales. Okay. So concept of marketing mix, it is a set of marketing tools that a firm use. So it is a set of tools. So different types of tools are included. It is a set of marketing tools. Okay. On the behalf of these tools that a firm uses, that a firm uses, okay, to pursue its marketing objective, to pursue its marketing objective, to pursue a marketing objective. So क्या कर रही है? Behalf of these tools, a company achieve a marketing objective, marketing targets. Okay. So objective is a target market. So its marketing objective is a target market. So target market के जो customers हैं उनको क्या करेगी? कैप्चर करेगी कंपनी with the help of marketing mix. So following elements, elements of marketing mix or tools of marketing mix or 4 P's in marketing mix. Okay. So first P is product. Point first P is product. So product is a main element of marketing mix. Okay. So product is a main element of marketing mix. So product include product features, product quality, products benefits. Okay. So physical products and its feature. So it include physical products and features, product quality benefit. Okay, so first point product, second point is price. Point number 2, price. Okay, so fix a product price at reasonable rate. Clear? So price is a main part of product. Okay, right? And actual and potential competition. So price create actual and potential competition. It directly affect the product sales. It directly affect the product sales. If product price is high, so demand is low. Okay, clear? So first point product, second price, third place. Point number third, place or physical distribution. Place or physical distribution. Okay, so it is concerned with the choice of middleman and place where the product should be displayed. So place play important role. So place play a important role regarding consumer. Okay, if place is nearby, yeah, if place of shop is in a mid area, yeah, city regarding, so easily reachable. Okay, so it also involve decision regarding shortage and transportation. So it involve decision regarding shortage and transportation. Clear? Point number 3, place or physical distribution. Okay, place or physical distribution. And last point number 4, promotion. So distribute a free samples, distribute a free samples. Okay, appoint a salesman. Clear? Appoint a salesman, personal selling, publicity, create personal selling, increase public relation, Okay, clear? So 4 P's are included in a marketing mix, element of marketing mix, tools of marketing mix, or 4 P's in marketing mix. Product, it includes physical product and its features. Okay, so product quality, product design, product quality, product design, product design, product trademark. Okay, clear? Next, price. So pricing policy, pricing level. Again, pricing policies, pricing level, provide discount. Okay, yeah, fix a product price at reasonable rate. It directly affect the product sales. Point third, place या physical distribution. So channel of distribution, inventory control. So first, place play important role regarding consumer. It involve decision regarding shortage and transportation or distribution of channel. Distribution of channel. Okay. Point number 4, promotion. Distribute a free sample, appoint a salesman, create a personal selling, increase public relation. So today discuss the concept of marketing mix, and discuss the element of marketing mix or 4 P's and tools of marketing mix. Okay, so 4 P's are included in this series: product, price, place, promotion. Okay, so write on